God damn it! You good?
Videoya hoş geldiniz. Daha iyi performans için YouTube'un altyazı özelliğini aktif ediniz.
Teksas'ta 25 Temmuz 2024 günü saat 13:20 civarında Dallas Polis Kuzey Merkez Suç Müdahale Ekibi üyeleri plaka okuyucusundan çalıntı bir kamyonet bildirimi aldı. Kamyonette 4 şüpheli bulunuyordu. Sürücü 21 yaşındaki Damon Piris olarak tespit edildi ve kasıtlı olarak hızlanarak polis aracının kaputuna sürdü ve Tahoe'nun sol sürücü tarafına çarptı. Ve olaylar gelişti. Emeğimize karşılık videoyu beğenirseniz seviniriz dostlar.
I'd say fall in behind him so that way he can't hit the go in reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him back. Keep on coming. Keep on going. Here turns out the dumpster. He's tilt grip.
Yep. Yep. Ready? Yep. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good?
Oh shit, that's a ram. Black.
Shit! 6-7 more, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, we need cover for 39600 Golf Lakes Trail.
Your call has been updated.
Go!
Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! Close the gun! Fucking shit!
He's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. He is running though.
Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! He's got a gun! He's got! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fucking shit!
6-7 more, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim!
10-4, we need cover for 39600 Golf Lakes Trail.
Good! He's running north! He's running north! Running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
John, I'm east, I'm south, I'm where's he at?
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, southwest corner. He's on a white shirt, but get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch, I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
Start us an ambulance.
You fucking hit.
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah.
What's the building?
Where you hit at?
On the side.
Okay, hey. You got close, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's up there. You fucking... What is your name?
Eric.
Eric what? Okay. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Drop the fucking gun! Good! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the David Buster. He's stopping. He's wearing an all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building. John, I'm east of the south. Where's he at?
Fuck. You guys okay? Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him.
Oh shit. That's a ram.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move. We got one more gun. Hang on. To the fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat it. I'm not gonna be aggressive. I already told you. You already fucking were. Give me the other fucking hand. Shut up. Delta 684. Who shot at us? I don't know if I was the guy shooting too.